see yourself, but we want to hear you as well. We've got visitors from Djibouti, from Bhutan, and India strong in this one. Pathan, the 2023 National Under-23 champion, the early leader as they go through with 12 laps to go, already stringing out between first and last in this large field. Let's get the applause going as they come in front of you. This is a big undertaking. 5 kilometers in this heat. Let's make sure it's a warm noise as well as a warm night. Let's go. Be loud, be proud. This is India.
The 5,000 meters with just under a minute and a half out here. Surely the favorite of the event is Savan Barwal, who has had plenty of experience out here. We're missing Gulveer Singh from the army. He's obviously practicing abroad. Shadab taking that early lead. Shadab Ayub Pathan from the army. He's been the world 10 kilometers participant in 2025 April. Shadab, the leader of the pack out here. In the second place and the third, they will slowly but surely start building up that momentum. Saurabh Kumar of Delhi is in second, and with in the third position is Abhishek Pal of the Railways. Pal, 27 years old, comes from Amethi. He won a bronze medal at the Asian Athletic in the 10,000 meters. He's now shifted gear with Shadab Pathan now slipping into third. Abhishek Pal, who's got tons of gold in the Federation Cup, both in the 5,000 and the 10,000 meters. He is also used to running the road races, the 15 kilometers. A gold at the 2018 half marathon in Delhi, and the 27th of April 2025, the world 10 kilometers at Bangalore. It's still Abhishek Pal in the lead. We watch the technique characterized by the upright body position, although some slight forward lean that you're watching out there occurring during the phases of the acceleration. It's too close for comfort out here. Abhishek continues to take the lead. I suspect he will be pressurized by Sadab, who continues to take the second. Savan Barwal, on whom the eyes will be on. The National Games gold medal, the 10,000 meters and the 5,000 meters. 13 minutes 45.93 for Savan Barwal in Dehradun. He surely is one to be in the fray. Make sure that he is locked up with the top 3-4. Making sure that he is not going to allow the others to get past him. He's there in number 3 position. Abhishek Pal continues to take the lead. His stride length, moderate to long. And in the knee lift that you're watching out there, the leg drive, well, it's 1, 2 and 3 for the Indians. You got Bhutan there with Gawa Zatso at the back. The second of the Bhutanese, Sangye, and Djibouti with Waberi Hussain. Nepal has got Mukesh Bahadur Pal. The chase, the tag, the long runs, of course, the steady state for the top runners out here. The rate at which we all know, which the oxygen demands and the oxygen use are balanced. These athletes, of course, there on your picture frame, they all run on trails, fields, roads and tracks at slow to moderate speed, but the pattern continues to remain the same. Abhishek Pal, Shadab Ayub Pathan and Savan Barwal. We still have 7 laps to go. We are hovering around 6.5 minutes so far. The 5,000 meters that we have been talking about, where the Africans have always dominated the event. Gulveer Singh, of course, along with Avinash Sable, has been India's stars. The best in 2025, Grant Fisher of the United States, 12 minutes .09. Nico Young, also of the United States, 12 minutes 45.27. Well, suddenly we seem to be seeing a change in the pattern with Abhishek being pushed back. It's all changing from here on. Waberi Igia Hussain of Djibouti, he's slipped into the lead right now. Kiran Matre. Kiran Matre represents the army. A silver at the National Games in Dehradun in the 10,000 meters. But the Djibouti boy, Waberi Hussain, seems to be having some other ideas. But the all-time greats, of course, Uganda, Ethiopia, Kenya, with 12:35.36. Joshua Cheptegei of Uganda, the all-time great. And this year, likewise, in the Diamond League, it's been the Ethiopians with Nico Young at the Bislett Games, 12:45.27. Is Hussain going to latch on? He's still got 5 to go. Matre continues to hold the second position out there. And then Abhishek, who was the leader of the pack, is now continuing to be in the top 3-4. Savan Barwal will want to make that move. Abhishek did try to get from the inside to the outside. It's here Savan Barwal now making sure that Kiran Matre is pushed back to 3. He moves into position at number 3. Savan Barwal. So it's of Djibouti in 1, Abhishek Pal of the Railways into the Indian Abhishek Pal. Savan Barwal of the army is in 3. Kiran Matre of the army is in 4. Shadab Ayub Pathan of the army as well is in 5. Wincing in pain there is Matre. It's now opening up. It's Hussain of Djibouti, Abhishek Pal of the Railways, and Savan Barwal of the army. 1, 2, 3 with Matre and Shadab now being pushed. Shadab trying to break the shackles, getting the better of Matre there. We got at the far end the 200, and from there on it will be 3 to go. But the young boy from Djibouti, born the 1st of January 2008, just 17 years old, he's kept the Indians at bay. The Indians will want to make sure that they break away at some point. 3 to go now, which is 1,200 meters. In fact, a little short of 1,200 because they've covered an approximately 50 meters now. Looks over his shoulder is Waberi Igio Hussain of Djibouti. The top 3 will now lap Sangay of Bhutan. Well, the march for him continues. Hussain of Djibouti, Abhishek Pal and Savan Barwal. The chase continues. We are now at the far end once again. When will this pattern change? Is the big question. And there at the background, we just saw the start of the final lap with Waberi Igui Hussain of Djibouti continues to take the lead. Abhishek Pal trying to cling on, so too is Savan Barwal. Waberi Igui Hussain not one to give up. The far end, 200 meters to go. He is now slipping away. He's picked up that speed. Oh, look at that gap there. Waberi Hussain of Djibouti surely is going to take the 5,000 meters. The Indians, Abhishek Pal, will have to be content. There's no one on a picture frame. And Djibouti takes the number 1 through Waberi Hussain. Abhishek Pal takes the second. And